So multi-point locking system for the outward opening aluminium doors and windows. How we will decide in aluminium windows how much locking points we need. So calculation points are how we calculate the locking points. Q is stand for the quantity or numbers of locking points. H stand for the heights of window. W stand for the width of window. P stand for the pressure. Pressure you should consider in the kg per meter squares, and width you should consider in meters, and height you should consider in meters, and quantity will be coming in the numbers. So here is the formula which is coming in like this: Q is equal to H into W into P divided by the 200. So let's see one example. Let us assume that the window height should be 2 meters and width should be 1.5 meters, and pressure will be 360 kg per meter square, or you can say 3 kPa. So points coming due to this answer is 6-point locking. So by this calculation you can come to know for this meter height and this wind pressure you have to use 6-point lockings arrangement. So as per the window dimensions and wind pressure, we need to decide the locking points. In 2-point locking system, you can see we should give the locking points at the horizontal direction and at both the left and right ends. And in the 4-point locking arrangement, we should give the locking points at both the end, left and right. And in the vertical direction, 1 locking points at the middle. And the 6-point locking, we should give the locking points at the horizontal direction at both the end, and the vertical direction, left and right, 2 locking points will be there. In the 8-point lockings, 2 locking points in the horizontal direction and 3 locking points in the vertical direction right side, and 3 locking points in the left side. So this is the criteria to decide the locking points. So for the lockings arrangement, we need to consider 3 things in our calculation, that is the height, width and wind pressure for the project.